Introducing Thor's Slimline Alpha A2M DUET, which is part of the Alpha range. This video will explain the benefits of the Alpha DUET Australian 3-pin mains model with 2 Australian female plug outlets. The Alpha A2M is a filtered and protected double outlet inline product. It has a class-leading 2,115 joules of surge protection and less than a nanosecond reaction time, which allows it to provide the best surge protection available for your equipment. There is a white LED that, when lit, shows there is power to the product. If the protection circuit becomes damaged, then an audible alarm sounds to signal the unit needs to be replaced. The A2M Slimline profile is designed to allow you to mount the unit behind the TV bracket or tucked away in a cabinet so that your valuable equipment is protected and its power cleaned, but the unit is out of sight. The A2M has a flat plug on one end, which plugs into the wall socket and allows your equipment to be as close to the wall as possible. And on the other end are 2 pigtail Australian female main sockets, making this unit compatible with any plug-in device that you have. You can think of the A2M DUET like a 1.3 metre extension cord, but with class-leading protection and filtration. The Alpha range has flame-proof MOVs and a flame-retarded housing, so that in the event of a damaging surge, there is no chance of a fire starting and causing more damage to your house and equipment. The Alpha A2M includes our sought-after MSF, Main Super Filter technology. The MSF is a big step above the standard Alpha filter and is aimed at ensuring only the cleanest power is delivered to your equipment and is like the filtration found in the premium Apex range. This ensures maximum performance of your high-definition screen technology to deliver those true colours in 4K and 8K pictures, reduce pixelation, streaming interruptions, reduce or remove hissing noise from speakers and thumping from subwoofers, or other similar performance-robbing problems. The Alpha A2M is suitable for any powered appliance and can also provide performance benefits like stopping programs freezing, error codes, or just stopping mid-cycle to other products such as sewing machines, gaming consoles, robot vacuum cleaners, soundbars, and Bluetooth speakers, just to name a few. The Alpha range has a 6-year product warranty and a 3-year $100,000 connected equipment warranty, giving you maximum peace of mind knowing that your equipment is protected. Thor Technologies is an Australian company who produces premium, innovative power protection and filtration products. We control the whole process and make products from concept and design using the expertise of Australian and New Zealand engineers to creation and distribution of shelf-ready products. Some of our products have patents, and we are recognised as leading edge in our industry. We have been focusing solely on power protection and filtration since our inception in 2001. For more information, please head to our website www.thortechnologies.com.au. Thanks for listening.